Hello everybody. Today I'm replacing a battery on my Dell laptop, and so we're gonna start again. Um, it's always good to have your anti-static wrist just in case, and also I like to keep my my magnetic cup just so I can keep the screws. So and I'm using a Hashida screwdriver. So I'm gonna start removing the little screws. What I like about this is that it has a 3.5 bolts. So when you press right here, you can easily remove any screws. It just make it real easy. I'm gonna remove all the screws. After you got some of the screws, I like to use my plastic trimmer, and usually I like to start on the side. There's a small opening on the right hand, so I like to start removing it on the side. I feel that it's just easier, and then all I do is just go around carefully, go around, uh, just to remove it. Just easily, and easily comes out. Okay, so this is the motherboard, and as you can see, this is the battery. So we're gonna start. I got the replacement right here, and that seems like the original battery. So let me go ahead and start replacing it. Make sure it's the same battery. Uh, this is a Dell. Now this was a replacement sent to me, and let's see. Problem with this battery that it's supposed to last like 7 hours, but it is not lasting. It's not lasting not even 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and start removing replacement. So to remove the battery, you gotta remove two screws. Two screws. There's one right here and there's one right here. You just gotta remove it, and then I use my plastic pry, and I still have the anti-static wrist. So carefully you put it on the side, and slowly it will start coming out. Just make sure you disconnect it from the bottom. So to disconnect it, just pull this cord right here carefully. You just pull it out slowly and carefully, and then you got it right here. This is the seems like an original battery. Hopefully this replacement works. At least if it can give me some time. Reinstallation is the same process. So we're gonna go ahead and reinstall this one, and again same process. We'll be connecting the same way I unplug it. Be careful. Then make sure it's so to reinstall it again, just make sure you plug it and make sure it's all the way in. Make sure it's tight, and then also make sure this wire goes right in that middle, and make sure it fits, it's not loose. And once you're done, carefully install it, and again, just make sure it's tight right here. Also, it has its own way to go inside, and then just make sure that it aligns with the wiring. Right there. Make sure everything is aligned, and then you just add the screws on. Yeah, double check. And then all you have to do is screw it again. So before you reinstall it, just make sure that it's tight, so all the tabs are in place, and then you can start. I like to start by the sides. In an X position. And from here, now I go right here. And then I go to the other side. After you're done, you can see right here that the new battery is not fully charged. So I'm gonna have to, as you can see, this replacement battery just came with 48%. So I'm gonna have, again, it just arrived today, so I'm gonna have to go and recharge it and see how long it will take to fully charge. Thanks for watching.